Get ready for your daily dose of marketing strategies and tactics from entrepreneurs with the guile and experience to help you find success in any marketing capacity. You're listening to Marketing School with your instructors, Neil Patel and Eric Su.
Welcome to another episode of Marketing School. I'm Eric Su.
And I'm Neil Patel.
And today we're going to talk about if it's better to create a mobile website or a mobile app. So again, I'm going to start with an eye-rolling answer again. It depends. So for me personally, I prefer to create a mobile website, which is just a responsive website. Because, for the stuff that I run, let's say it's an agency, it's just simpler, right? People are just searching for agencies, through a browser, and that just makes sense for me. But having said that, we do actually have a mobile app as well. We use a tool called BuildFire to build the mobile app. It's actually fairly simple to do, and it includes our podcasts and things on there as well. So if I had to choose one or the other, I would choose a mobile website because that's where most of my audience is hanging out, because most of the time they're on a desktop or mobile looking for an agency.
Yeah, unless you're providing unique functionality that requires an app, in general you don't really need one. More people are just going to come to your mobile website assuming you're just content oriented. Like if you're like a booking profile where someone can book like airline tickets, hotels, and all that kind of stuff, and they continue to use you on a regular basis, or like a car service like Uber. So it would be hard to do that through a mobile website. So think about the user experience. If something would be really difficult to do through a mobile website, then you want to create an app. If it would be unnecessary to have an app and it's overkill, then a mobile website should be fine. But on my end, I've created mobile apps in the past, like at Kissmetrics and stuff. I don't do it anymore because I found that the usage just isn't high, and you get way more usage from doing something simple like just making your website responsive and working on mobile applications, or not applications, but mobile phones and devices. And in addition to that, when you're doing anything mobile related, it's more work and more development. So do you really want to maintain a desktop website, a mobile website, and a mobile app? It's a pain in the butt. For most of you guys, if you're just content oriented, a website's enough, and just make it responsive so it works on mobile devices as well.
I mean, here's a case study. This was done. Here's some numbers from. This is actually from 2 years ago, right? So even though a lot of people use their smartphones a lot, the fact of the matter is, maybe only 5 apps see heavy use. So chances are your app's not going to see a lot of use either. Back in the day or a couple of years ago, there's this mobile app gold rush, right? Everyone's trying to make an app all the time. Now that's since died down, and I'm scrolling through my phone right now. A large percentage of these apps I haven't opened for months or weeks. So that's just the fact of the matter. I mean, you're trying to pull people's attention at the end of the day, and it's hard to do that if you don't have a repeated use like Neil's talking about, right? Like an Instagram or like an Uber or like a bookings.com or a hotels.com that you're using all the time. So just keep that in mind. Remember, it's a battle for attention at the end of the day. Neil, anything else?
Yeah, and unlike Eric, I don't have a ton of apps on my phone because I'm OCD, but on my phone, I can literally count on 1 to 2 hands on how many apps I have, but I should have less than 10 apps on my phone.
So that's it for today. But before we go, we do have a 1-year annual subscription of Crazy Egg that we want to give away. So Neil, what's Crazy Egg?
Sure. Crazy Egg is a visual analytics tool. It shows you where people are clicking and where they're not. Think of it this way. If you have the wrong elements in the wrong page and areas of your site and people aren't clicking on it, what's going to happen? You're not going to generate any sales. We also show you how far people scroll down your page. Again, if you have your really important messaging below the fold where no one scrolls, and your call to action below the fold and no one sees it, then they're not going to click on it and convert. Same with your design. You need to make design changes based off the feedback that you're getting from users, analytics tools like Google Analytics. How do you make them really easily? You can't if you go through your designer or developer. They'll take forever and it'll cost you a lot of money. Crazy Egg has a WYSIWYG feature where you can make the design and copy changes on your own with no technical skills, and you can even run A/B tests with just a few clicks of a button.
There you have it. So if you want to get in on this 1-year annual subscription, we're giving away one every single week, and you can actually get multiple entries. So if you want to learn more on how to do this, just go to singlegrain.com/giveaway, and we will see you tomorrow.
This session of Marketing School has come to a close. Be sure to subscribe for more daily marketing strategies and tactics to help you find the success you've always dreamed of. And don't forget to rate and review so we can continue to bring you the best daily content possible. We'll see you in class tomorrow, right here on Marketing School.